Hi, this is John from Ilium Works, and today we're going to be installing barbacks on our 2018 K1600 bagger. These barbacks will bring the handlebars roughly 2 inches on a diagonal closer to your shoulders. First thing we're going to do is get a couple of nice thick towels, place it on the top of the tank and the bodywork here to protect it while we're working. Using a T50 Torx driver, we're going to loosen these 10mm bolts. They're in quite tight and there's Loctite on them. I recommend a breaker bar, and they're going to be tight coming out. Okay, next we're going to break the 8mm bolts loose with the T45 driver. You see the handlebars are loose now. Now we're going to put the Ilium Works base in place using our 10mm bolt with some blue Loctite on it. 8mm socket, Allen, and we'll just run this in just snug. Bars in, go ahead and let them rest there. 8mm screws also with Loctite. And we'll just run these in, get them started. Okay, now that the screws are snugged up, we're going to position the bars. I'd like to start out with the tops of the reservoirs in a level position. That seems to be a pretty good, comfortable riding position. And now we're going to tighten up the 10mm bolts in the base. Torque the base bolts to 33 foot-pounds. Screws in the caps, 8 millimeters, will get 17 foot-pounds. Okay, now that you have the barbacks installed, you want to turn the handlebars fully to the right and the left and make sure that your cables and hoses are not binding or stretching. There should be plenty of length to do that. Recommend after 100 miles of riding or so to check all the bolts for tightness again, and that should do it.